Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm at the control post flyover now, the one at control. You can see the Assunta Cathedral here. This is the church, Assunta Cathedral. So this is the control post flyover, the one that Hope Uzodinma built. You know, this is one of the best flyover in Southeast. Since they created this Imo State, I have never seen a flyover like this. This is the best flyover Imo State have had since they created Imo State. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys this flyover, and make sure you do like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video. This is Assunta Cathedral, the one as control post. And in this video, I will be showing you everywhere here in this control post. So guys, all you have to do is like, share and subscribe. I return back here because I came here last year. So for me to return back here is to check whether the flyover is still working the way it's supposed to work, the way it has been working since last year. So for me coming here, and I have seen that everything is still working the way it's supposed to work and the way it has been working. Everywhere is neat and there is no hold up here. So guys, make sure you do like, subscribe. Let me show you guys around. You can see the movement here, the cars movement here, the motors movement, the bike. Why are they allowing bike to run on this place? You can see this is the Honda. This is how cars are moving. The ones going to Port Harcourt Road down there. You can see these ones now coming from World Bank side, Omogoma housing estate. This one, NNPC filling station here. You can see this one, cars coming from here. You can see it from our nature. You can see the tipper. These are the movements here. Very beautiful. There is no controller here. You can see cars. This one is going to World Bank side. So guys, you can see the movement since last year, since they opened this flyover. It has been great. Since they opened this flyover, it has been great. I love the movement. This is the best flyover in Southeast. I can boast for it. Guys, like this video, share it. You can see how bike people are here. You see, if you want to enter bike that is going to Omogoma side, this road now go to Omogoma. This one now go to Port Harcourt Road, World Bank. These are the ones coming from Onitsha Road. These ones now coming from, these are the ones coming from Onitsha Road. So guys, you can see the beauty. You can see how everywhere is. You can see this is Assunta Cathedral Church. So I'm showing you guys everywhere. These are the cars coming from Onitsha Road. So let me talk about this side. These are the cars coming from Warehouse side going to Onitsha Road. You can see their movements. You can see the statues here. You can see the beautiful statues here. You can see these are the movement of the cars going to Onitsha Road, World Bank, turning the roundabout. There is nobody controlling here. Everything is the same, the way it started, the way they open it, how it started. This is the Honda. You can see how they design everywhere with marbles and everything. You can see the beauty. So this is the flyover. This school now is Holy Ghost College, the secondary school Holy Ghost that wear white. From here you can see the movement of the cars. You can see it. The movement of the cars. These cars now, this side now leading to Port Harcourt Road, World Bank. You can see the movement of the cars here. Guys, me now, I'll be going down now to show you guys how the down look like, how everything look like from the downside. I'll show you guys how everything look from the downside. Make sure you do like, subscribe to this channel. So this is Onitsha Road. If you are going down to Onitsha Road, this side now is Onitsha Road. Okay. can see the flyover from up here. You can see how it is. So guys, after showing you guys this place, you have seen how the control post flyover is still working. You have seen how it's still working. You see how cars are moving. You see, this is the best thing that Hope Uzodinma have done for Imo State by building this flyover. Very strong everywhere. The street light, the color, everything, the structure, the quality, everything is intact. Everything is magnificent. Everything is top notch. Everything is clean. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can see, you can confirm to yourself. You can see the status here, and to my back here you can see the Assunta Cathedral. So I'm showing you guys at my back here, you can see Onitsha Road, cars going to Onitsha Road. So guys, this is it. This is the control post flyover in Imo State that Hope Uzodinma built. So I'll be going around. As I have shown you guys, make sure you do like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is Imo State. I will be going to Enugu. I'll be going to Ebonyi State. I'll be going to Anambra and Umuahia to see their own flyover and see their beauty of the state. Make sure you do like, subscribe. I love you guys. This is beautiful.